afternoon when
As
you were
we
in...
was on the train had passed one intersection, and next thing we know, we heard the train blowing the horn continuously. And everybody knows when you're continuously blowing, the first thing that pops in your mind is somebody's trying to speed past or trying to cross over. And then about 2 seconds later, the train jerked, stopped real quick, and the conductor announced that somebody tried to bust a hard turn and beat the train, and the train caught the car.
Okay.
Now they're saying that it might be a body, but we don't know yet.
Yeah. Did you know where they hit? Did they hit, do you think, at Euclid or at Northwest Highway?
I think it was like in between, because you could see where the rocks was, where the car was dragged, and it was dragged past the Northwest Highway stop, that intersection. It was drugged past that, so it was somewhere in between. He tried to turn quick.
Did you see anything flying up in the car?
No,
or
I was
when you were
towards the
sitting?
middle of the train, so I really couldn't see what was happening, and this is like dead in front, the front part of the train, so I really couldn't see. We just heard and felt the train jerk.
Did anybody fall inside the train or anything?
No.
Okay. And was it a big jerk?
It was a big jerk.
And
kind of slid out your seat. That's when we knew something had happened. We felt he had to hit his brakes for an emergency. We wasn't expecting for it to be this.
yeah. And how about the noise? Was there any noise at all?
No, all we heard was the screeching of the brakes and the horn from the train. That was all you was able to hear.
Yeah.
We didn't even hear the crash. We didn't even know it was a crash until the conductor told us.
And I know you told me already, but how far were you on the train, like from the car that got hit?
The first car, I'm maybe about the fourth or fifth car back.
Okay. Okay, and you're heading for Chicago, or
Yep.
were you about to get out?
Heading to Chicago, and now I got 2.5 hours and don't know how I'm getting home yet.
That's that. You mind saying where you got on? At
I got down on Palatine.
Palatine, so you didn't get very far.
Ain't got far at all.
No.
All of a sudden, we just heard like the horn going, and then we all kind of flew forward because it seemed like he kind of tried to slam on the brakes, but then he just kept going and then stopped.
And then we saw a bunch of people running, and so we knew something must have happened. And then saw like immediately all the ambulance and firemen. Like they didn't take long to get here.
Yeah. So then we knew something happened.
So were you surprised that the train hit a car? Or?
Yes.
Yeah. But we could tell something, I could tell something wasn't right because when he was blowing the horn and then we felt that impact, I knew something wasn't right.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm sure their family's wondering where they are.
It's just sad.
So did they tell you to go down to the station and
Well,
another?
they told us no more trains for the day, I don't think.
Okay.
So yeah.
They didn't give you an alternate transportation option?
No.
All right, thank you, ladies. And you're Madison,
Yeah.
correct? Thank you.
Attention, Northwest Line commuters. At this time, limited train movement has resumed through Arlington Heights. Inbound and outbound trains may be operating with extensive delay time. Listen to platform announcements for the location of your train.